Are you at that stage where you want to start making career choices? We understand it can be a lot, so let's make it easier for you with some tips. Welcome to this channel Success with Antoaneta. Here we discuss money, investment, business, motivation, and daily lifestyle that will help you to live a balanced and successful life. Whether you want to make a career change or start a career for the first time, you must make the right decision at this stage because whatever decision you make will determine the future you will see. At the decision-making stage, there are usually so many uncertainties. You hear people asking so many what if, which is quite understandable. It is indeed a very critical stage to be in. While there are no hard and fast rules to making career choices, there are factors to consider to help you make the right choice. Keep on watching, we have outlined them in this video. Are you excited to see them? Number 1. Personality. Personality matters a lot in choosing a career path and should be one of the first factors to consider. Different personalities fit into different careers, and you must avoid making personality mistakes. What is your personality like? Are you an extrovert or an introvert? Do you like to work as a team or alone? Do you like to sit in an office or be out there? All of these are personality factors to consider when choosing a career path. You can't be a good listener and choose therapy as a career. Number 2. Qualification. This is one of the most important factors to consider in career choices. Every career requires a certain level of qualification. By qualifications, I don't mean exclusively educational qualifications. It can be past experiences or skills. So while at it, you must look out for the qualification requirement of any career. Consider whether or not you are qualified before going ahead to decide to settle for it. Number 3. Passion. A career is something you are probably going to be doing for a lifetime. At least until retirement, which is about 65 years in the UK. That is the most of your life, and you can't afford to be happy for that long even if the pay is good. While choosing a career path, look for things that pique your interest. Something you enjoy doing and will gladly do even if it needs to pay better. At all costs, ensure it is something you have passion for. This is the only way to maintain happiness at work and succeed in your career. As always, we need your love to grow this channel. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to help us keep sending you useful tips like this. Number 4. Job opportunity. It's true that passion is essential for whatever career path, but need we say passion isn't enough? Yes, it isn't enough. Everyone wants to make a living from whatever career path they choose and also be able to save for the future. Hence, you will have to consider other factors like job opportunities. Do proper research to see if your chosen career has available job opportunities. If it doesn't, you may have to consider another career path. Number 5. Location. It may seem like location doesn't matter in career choices, but it does. Some careers may demand you to relocate to a particular location. So you may have to consider your willingness to travel or relocate. This may be fine if you are open to traveling and living anywhere. But if not, then consider another career path. Thank you for staying until the end of this video. Here is your bonus tip. Number 6. Salary. Of course, this is one of the most important factors to consider. You have to consider how much the career offers. Because whether you like it or not, making ends meet is one of the reasons for choosing a career path. Please do your research, and be sure what they offer is obtainable for you. Finally, your choice of career determines your future. As such, lifelong decisions such as making career choices shouldn't be made in a hurry. Proper research and considerations are required to help you get it right and avoid regrets. For more assistance, do not hesitate to contact us at Lifestyle. We are here to help. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe so we can always bring you helpful tips like this. Thank you for watching this video. And remember, always stay very motivated. See you in our next video.